Brentwood, California, 3 people were killed Sunday afternoon when an Amtrak commuter train smashed into a car in Northern California, authorities said. The crash occurred at around 1 p.m. in Brentwood, about an hour's drive southeast of San Francisco, the California Highway Patrol reported. Three people died at the scene. 2 adults and a child were taken to hospitals, but there was no immediate word on their conditions, KRON-TV reported. The victims were inside the 4-door sedan when it was struck. The car came to rest about 60 feet away from the tracks. There were 80 people aboard the Amtrak train, but nobody was hurt, officials said. The crash was under investigation.